Hi everyone, I'm here to tell you it's Molly-Ann Fairley, obviously from School of Psychic Studies, about the full moon workshop we'll be doing on Wednesday evening. Full moon in Gemini, and Gemini is ruled by Hermes, god of communication, and he is the son of Zeus, who rules Jupiter, Sagittarius, the month of Sagittarius is where we're at, isn't it? So this is a really interesting moon. It's going to be about finalising your adjustments, finalising things that need to be ended, that have been holding you up for the last 6 months. It's going to be a bit tense for love and relationships. Healthy relationships will be fine, but loving relationships that aren't holding and not doing very well, you may be making decisions about that. So I'm just thinking about if there's anything else I need to tell you about. We're going to be putting up a prayer to Hermes. We're going to be linking into the energy of this god. And so it will be a very powerful evening for you, and as ever a deep healing will take place beforehand. And I would like to impress upon you that nothing is going to happen over Christmas. There will be no workshop over Christmas, so you won't have another workshop until I think about the 10th of January. So this one's quite an important one to line you up for Christmas. Make sure there are no family arguments, no upsets, and that you haven't got tension either thinking about Christmas. Yeah, so that's going to be this Wednesday evening at 8 o'clock, and Samira will send you the link, and let me know if you're coming on, please. And I think we're going to have a really good evening. Yeah, so I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.